All right, so for this Nomad Sculpt video, we're gonna do a ceiling fan. As you can see over here in the right upper corner, left or right, we kind of had a top, a side, and like a little 3D view. We've kind of dissected this a little bit. It's really simple. So it has three of those fan blades. It has like a little upper section, then this little second piece we can use like a lathe, and then do the fan blades. So yeah, so three big parts, the 1, 2, 3, and then we can combine it all. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so let's delete that, add a cylinder. This is going to be the top. Let's make it a little bigger. Enter. So that'll be our top. Actually, let's go to front. It's gonna be a little more, yep, because we're on the ceiling. All right. Okay. Now front. Now we're gonna do the second part, and I think we can do like a little lathe for that. So let's go to Lathe Curve. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Just gonna make this a little thicker so our ceiling fan can actually be there. Right. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so there we have our ceiling fan. We just need to match it up here. That's good. Okay. Just enough. Okay. All right, so now we are going to do our ceiling fan blades. I guess for this we could do, if we wanted to, do a little add a sphere, left side. It's right in the center. So like it's where we might put like a light bulb. So center, yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, and then add these two together. Make sure that's crossed out because that's where we're gonna take out. Box will merge. Ooh, that is not good. Okay. Left side was fine, but back side wasn't. Oh, that's a ceiling fan. Okay, move this there. Now let's make sure the right side is good. Front side is good. Okay, so now we can actually take that out. All right. Box will merge. Sweet. Okay, that's good. And let's see. I know we're adding a little extra than we should, but it's a good learning experience. Oh, let's see. Okay, duplicate that. Make it smaller out here. Take that out, put that together. Actually, it doesn't need to be, show it. Doesn't need to go that deep in that. Okay, that's good. And then cross it out, combine these two, box submerge. And then you can move this back. Okay, it's not interfering with anything. Good, okay. And then we can add these together, box submerge. All right, let's move that out. Intensity should be a little lower. So this is where you're gonna be able to put your light bulb if you had one. And in later videos, we'll probably make one too. Or we can make one now and just make it really simple. It's really up to us. All right, there we are. Smooth things out. All right, okay. There we have it. Our light bulb, so in case we want to add one. All right, so let's go to the front. Now we're gonna add our ceiling fan, ceiling blades. This is a little out of touch, so select gizmo. Okay, that's good. Left side, that's good. Okay. There. All right. It's back in order. So we go to top. Let's add. What's good? Box, right? Front. Thin it out. Widen it. Something like this. All right, that's a good blade. Then accepted. Let's move it this way. And then we can use, what do you call it, trim. Lasso it. Make sure it's, the symmetry doesn't work here. Oh, it's not the right orientation. Okay, so let's move it to the right orientation. Here. Make sure that show the plane. Okay, that's pretty good. Right around there. Okay, then let's do our trimming. Sweet. Okay. Remember, they're your blades, so you can make them as fancy as you want. Let's smooth those out. All right, now let's add them in there. Good. Okay, it's good. Then we can duplicate that. Okay, duplicate that. See, it doesn't go all the way through. Okay. That's good. It's not perfect, but it works. All right. Let's add all those three together. Simple merge. Call them fan base. Oh, fan blades. That would be the fan base. And then fan supports. All right, now we get all three. Okay, so now we're finished with pretty much our model, but let's paint it and then UV unwrap. So if you guys want it, you can take it and use it in whatever you like. So let's see, front, let's make this a little more symmetrical. Yeah, that's good. Oh, left side too. That's good. Okay, I got there. Right, what we're gonna do. Let's take the fan blades. Or be like white. So paint all, that's fine. Fan base. A nice blackish color. Oh, that's good. Okay, paint all. And then the fan base. Oh, fan support, sorry. We can make it fancy, like a nice gold or something. Oh no, silver. Yeah, silver. Yep. Okay. Then paint all. See. Now we are our ceiling fan, and remember you can add a little light bulb there yourself. Right, that's done. Painting is done. So select each one. Go to these settings right here. It's good. Okay, just UV unwrap. before we do that, delete UVs. We also have to go back and do some voxel because we mess with the geometry of everything. So if we do voxel, it'll simplify things, but we probably do also need to do that. So make sure when you do that, make sure you do it before you kind of finalize it, because it'll mess up your model, but you're good. Okay, this is good. We're just gonna have more what do you call it, more triangles, more geometry to deal with, unfortunately, but it's not a bad thing. Your computer can handle it, hopefully. All right, so let's UV unwrap. Okay. Okay, and there you are. Model fully unwrapped and ready to use in Blender and other programs. So best of luck.